How long does a MacBook actually last? Great question. Typically, it's about 5 to 8 years, but it really depends if you take good care of it and make sure it stays clean and clear of damage. So clean your Mac, regularly wiping it to make sure it's free of debris and any dust getting inside the keyboard. That is huge. When you get dust inside the keyboard, it really can hurt the computer. Also, make sure it's free and clear of any damage. See how this looks perfect? I have never dropped it. Dropping your computer will significantly decrease the life expectancy. Next, make sure your hard drive has enough space. If it has enough space, it can run and perform better and it'll have a longer life for you. Also, make sure the battery is treated nicely. If you're using your battery constantly every single day, that could shorten the overall life of the computer, or you might need to replace your battery, but they're not user replaceable in these newer models. Also, make sure you don't operate in very high or very low temperatures. Having a moderate temperature will ensure the Mac lasts a long time. If you're working in the desert heat and all the sand, it's not gonna live as long. So there you go, some great tips to ensure the life expectancy of your Mac. When you do want to upgrade, come to sellyourmac.com and you can get a great offer on your used Mac. Then go to macsales.com and you can get a great new machine at an excellent price with our phenomenal warranty. So there you have it. Macs can last 5 to 8 years. Don't let them get too old. Come swap them in so you always can have the latest and greatest technology. Cheers from Brian the Mac Man.